Jerry Zayden with Camburg here. We have a first edition Ford Bronco 4-door in the shop right now. What's cool about the first editions, it come with some little features, you know, stickers, colorings, bumpers. Also inside there's a couple features that they have that's pretty neat. But most importantly, these Broncos come, you know, they're pretty soft. They're set up to go do some trails on off-road. But this guy really wants the most legit suspension. So he's immediately replacing all the shocks front and rear to the Fox coilovers, and these have the DSCs in them, 2.5 inch. And these also have the Camburg Billet Aluminum upper control arms up front, and we're replacing the rear links to the Billet Aluminum arm rear links that we make. And what's cool about those links is we also put a skid plate on the bottom of them, so if you ever do get tied up with those rocks, it'll slide off of those skid plates, which is pretty cool. So watch the install, check it out, watch the build when it's done. We're also going to be putting some Black Rhino wheels on here that look amazing. They're getting all mounted up right now. Customers keeping the stock tires because this comes with 35s, so upgrading the wheels is definitely cool. Sooner or later he'll come in here and upgrade the tires as well.